Let's go ahead and factor this trinomial. And this one's slightly different than the ones we've been doing from the first few examples, in that now we have two different variables. Okay, so I have p squared minus 5pq plus 6q squared. So what I want to do first is still do my diamond, put the 6 on top, and put the -5 on the bottom right there. I'm just going to use a variation of this. So I want to find two numbers that multiply and give me 6. And when I add them, I get -5. And that would be -3 and -2. -3 plus -2 is -5. And -3 times -2 is a 6. So normally we would just say, oh, okay, so the answer is just p minus 3 and then p minus 2. Okay, so check this out though. Since now we have q, we're going to add in our q right here. Okay, and you say, well, how did you know where to put the p and put the q? This is how I know that. When you multiply your first two terms, like when you do FOIL, okay, that always has to be equal to your first term, your p squared. So that's how I knew p times p is p squared. And then how did I know to put the q's right there? Well, when you multiply these guys right here, that has to give you your last term. And -3q times a -2q is a +6q squared. So that's kind of how you know where to put your p's and your q's.